A painless way to get rid of your pooch? Sound too good to be true? Well, let's go to the procedure room to see a new treatment in action with Dr. Warden. Take it away, my friend.
That's right. There is a new treatment on the block for ridding those so-called figure faults that so many of us have. And Dr. Palm, Melanie, is back with us as our guest expert, and she's brought a delightful patient guest, Paige. Now, Paige, you were telling me you're a spinner.
Yep.
You do your yoga a couple times a week, but you have a couple of areas that are bothering you. Tell us about that.
Yes. Well, it's just you're working out, you're eating well, and it's not going away.
So specifically, what areas, if you could?
The stomach.
The tummy,
stomach
a
area.
little bit of a pooch. All right,
Yes.
Dr. Palm, what do you have for us?
So we have something called Vanquish, which is really new in its field of radio frequency. This is non-contact. It actually hovers over her body, and it heats up the fat cells to a point about 120 degrees Fahrenheit, where a certain amount of them undergo apoptosis, or controlled cell death.
Apoptosis. You're melting the fat, but the question is actually she getting the treatment now?
She is. It's quiet, isn't it?
Yes.
It seems like nothing is happening. It's
This
one of those...
really is.
It's
Because
heaven.
And because of its high tuning ability for fat specifically, it does not affect the overlying skin. It doesn't affect the underlying organs. It really just heats up the fat.
But in Paige's case, it's just that little pooch, and we do have some photos that you were nice enough to bring from the study that show what kind of results Paige can look forward to.
And these are actually my own patients.
Okay.
So inches lost between about 1.5 inches and 4 inches. This patient, I believe, lost 2 inches off of her waistline. So this is really for someone hoping to lose like a pant size.
Let's start this machine. Now, this is the thing. Whoopi was part of a clinical trial. She was part of a test group.
That's right.
Look at this.
And I have to tell you, I don't sit still for anything.
Is
This works so well, and you have no issues with it.
So tell us about it, Dr.
So
Day.
this is called Vanquish. It uses radio frequency in a whole different way. It's called multipolar. You can see from the picture how the bands go across under the skin, and it targets deep tissue, and it heats it. Now, the tissue I'm targeting is fat.
Is that why Whoopi's always so hot?
She is hot anyway.
When I tell you,
This is it. Yeah, that's it.
And it gets hot. It gets hot.
You just feel hot. So now I'm tuning it to her fat, and I control the tuning, so I can target the fat very efficiently.
So you're targeting the fat, just kind of melting the fat?
No pain. You're permanently destroying it. So you're melting it, but the fat is destroyed.
Does that mean that her waistline, if she loses the 2 inches, it's not coming back?
It's not coming back the next month.
Hell,
It's
yo.
gone. And it's also the largest.
Oh my gosh, we love it.
Let me tell you.
Whoopi, what?
Let me tell you something. I'm not a big one for products and stuff. This machine is magnificent.
We'll be right back.